Today we got one of my basketball shoe Grails in the Kobe 5 Undefeated pack. Let's go. What's good, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's Zach here with Tamster's Kicks, and I don't even have them in the box because they're just sitting on my shelf. I finally got these, the Kobe 5 Undefeated pack. I have been looking to get these for 2 years, and I finally was able to get them. So we have them today, and I just wanted to break them down, mainly because I wanted these as a video on my channel. So I'm breaking them down, and we're going to talk about them a little bit today. If you guys haven't seen a basketball shoe review, I'm going to go through materials, traction, upper, all that good stuff. And towards the end of the video, I'll leave a little bit of my reviews and give a little of my experience playing, hooping in the shoe. If any of you guys are looking to like cop any Kobe 5s that have come out, maybe like StockX or something like that. But really, I just want to let you guys know how I feel about the Kobe 5s because I'm excited for these. Like I said, these dropped 2 years ago, and I have been looking to get them. I've been trying to get at least one of every Protro Kobe that's come out. Very glad Nike and Kobe worked out another deal to extend the line of Protros because I need some Kobe 7s, 8s, 9s, 10s. I need all those to come, so they're coming soon. Gonna have to wait for them, but Kobe 5s today, and these ones, like I said, I have waited so long to get them, so we're breaking them down. On the Kobe 5s, you have the heartbeat traction pattern, which is back on these with more bite than ever. Early on playing with them, I did notice a little bit of dust on these, but that heartbeat pattern is super fire. The bite is nice. I would honestly prefer the bite on the 6s and the 4s a little bit more than these ones, but the traction pattern still is super fire. They play super well, and I love the pattern, and the grip is, again, like I said, super nice. The cushion on these Protros puts new Nike Zoom Turbo in the forefoot as long as some Cushlon. The OG Kobe 5s had a forefoot Met Zoom Air unit, and in the heel it had just a Zoom Air unit. We have a little bit of updates with newer technology, newer stuff. We got the Cushlon in there, full length everywhere with that Zoom Airs. It's super nice on these. The cushion breaks in very well off the bat. It didn't really hurt me, and it played very nice, felt really soft playing in both of them. I have definitely thrown both colorways on. I'm looking to beat these ones up, play all the time in them because I love them, but cushion's been pretty good so far for me. And one thing I really like about the cushion on these bad boys is you sit pretty low to the ground. It feels lower than the 6s. The 4s feel pretty low too, but these ones, the responsiveness from the combination of the traction and the cushion is pretty nuts on these. Materials and textures are basically identical to the old Kobe 5s. So like I said, they're basically the same as the OG Kobe 5s, the plastic wires, the build in there, all of it's basically the same, but they didn't go wrong with the OG Kobe 5s. So I fixed what's not broken. They did that here. And a little bit of the materials, I want to talk about the two colorways. Right here is the colorway basically based on all of the 12 teams that passed on Kobe Bryant, didn't draft him. You got like the Celtics, I think the Heat are in there, a couple different teams. They're all a color combination combined on there. Then this one is supposed to be the Lucky 13 colorway. That is how the Charlotte Hornets originally drafted Kobe. We all know what happened there. He went to the Lakers. The rest is history. Kobe's a champion, rip Mamba, but such fire colorways on both of these. The fit here is pretty good fitting. One thing I honestly forgot about the Kobe 5s is the kind of sock liner entry here. I know a lot of people actually used to cut this sock liner here so they could have a better fit and feel in there, and I could potentially do that in the future because they're pretty snug in there. I would possibly go up a half a size if you can because of the snugness. But as I played more in them, it already started to stretch out. This, I went true to size. I didn't go a half size up because I never do in Kobe's, and I'm not regretting it because they do fit well as I've played in them. So I would recommend a true to size. If you are super weary, wide-footed, maybe go up a half size. If not, a little looser lace, maybe cut that sock entry. It'll be good. Finally, for support, again, one thing I just absolutely love about Kobe's is it is the best low top support shoe. For some reason, the combination of the materials, this tooling in the shoe is great, and I love the support on these. Traction, we got an 8.5 on there. Could be a little bit better, not as good as a Curry 9 Flow or even a Kobe 9, but still pretty fire. And that also goes along with the cushion, 8.5. At first, it was pretty good. pretty bouncy, responsiveness is great, so over time, I'm just more excited for them. Materials, also an 8.5 out of 10. I love the different nods on here. Materials was very breathable, tongue entry was nice, didn't restrict my movements at all, and I mean the colorways here, you can't go wrong with these. These are some fire Kobe 5 colorways. Fit, also an 8.5 out of 10, just because that sock liner makes it a little more difficult than a Kobe 6 or even a Kobe 4, so be wary. Like I said, I mentioned what I was thinking about the fit there, but you guys know. And then support, 8.5 out of 10. I just love how Kobe's fit on the low tops. I think the support is great on them. They feel very nice to me. If you guys like them, you're gonna have to pick these ones up. Honestly, you guys know these. I said these are one of my grails, so I had to get this pack in. And that is it for the video today. Again, so happy to get these ones in. I had to throw up a video just to put it in the channel, just for the memories for your boy. But leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys on the next one.